Hey everybody, Troy from the very snowy do-it-yourself world. Very, very, very cold on the off-grid project. Shoveled again today. I widened my driveway here and I found out who does the plowing, and a very friendly conversation, and that probably won't be an issue anymore either. And we're also going to contribute in with the ones who do the plowing. Although we've been hand shoveling, it's just good neighborly thing to do for this little bit. So straightening everything out all the way around. And here I cleaned up the solar panels again today. It was built up and heaping up on the panels, so I cleaned that off and we got some nice beautiful sun today. Look at that. But I wanted to share with you, it was a beautiful sunny day and the solar power was just cranking on the clean solar panels. Really good. Really, really good. Also, I want to take you down the road here and show you. I went for a walk this afternoon. Now here where the wind blows through, there's not that much snow. It's about 2 feet here. It's not that much at all. But where the sun shines on it and where the wind blows, it melts, and then it snows, and then it melts. But over here, we've got 4 feet of snow right here. And you would think this is where the snowplow has plowed it, but no. That's level. That is 4 feet of snow all the way across our land, people. That is probably, a good estimation of what we've got. I think we probably got a good 6 feet then this year, because we had some melting times as well. And yeah, I walked around the block today and had a look at the land and how deep it really is. That's crazy deep. Now this is deep, and it's pretty much level here across the land. Crazy, crazy deep. I wish I could show you with me standing next to it, but it's up there. Wow. Here, this is straight out across from the chickens. It's again about 3-4 feet deep here. It's about 4 feet deep. And that's straight across, all across the land. It is a lot of snow this year. Look at that. That's level. All the way through. Oh, it's cold. I'm going back in. I just wanted to show you. That's level. That's a lot of snow. Wow. Now, I show you the snow because I find it exciting to see how deep it is. And we haven't had snow like this in years. A lot of people up here are saying, I haven't seen it like this in a long time. This much ongoing throughout the winter. And the cold. It's colder. Actually, we should be in the 30s, 30 to 38 degrees right now. And we're in the teens and zeros and negative temperatures. So we're much colder than we're supposed to be right now. And I'm just telling you how it is. If I didn't tell you anything, there'd be no video. That is me just telling you what's going on here at the homestead. So just figured I'd add that in. Well, I'm going to get inside and thaw out. Look at that, guys. It is piled up behind a greenhouse. Really high. Can't really see through the window screen, but it's coming up. The level of the snow is catching up to the window out here overall. But that, wow, look at that. See, I just think it's exciting. I think it's cool. That's a lot of snow. Up on the roof of the trailer is about 16-18 inches on this side. On that side, the snow and wind is hitting it. But on this side, it's about, I think, a good 18 inches on the roof up there. Quite a bit of snow pulling up. Got a package in the mail. Amazon fulfillment. Not something I ordered that I can remember at this time. Let's see what we got here. What do we got? Oh, it's a Wendy's card. I didn't know you could do that on Amazon. It's from one of my viewers. He says, as promised, have a burger. Oh, it's you. Thank you. It's Gilbert is part of his name on YouTube. Have a burger on me. I thought you were joking. Well, thank you very much. We'll do that. I'll take the family out. Actually, for Wendy's, $20 is a couple meals. The $4 menus, that's quite a few times. Well, thank you. We will appreciate that. I'll take the family out. I thought you were joking. That's cool. Thank you. Hey guys, this here arrived in the mail and it says care of Michelle. Now, Melanie doesn't really have any interest in being on video right now, so I'm going to open this here. And we'll see what's in here. This is for Michelle. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, wow. What do we got here? Let me check the slips here for a minute. Oh, for Michelle to replace the cats that we're taking. Oh, that's nice. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at that. Oh, Michelle, you're gonna love this. Look at the little kitties. Michelle happens to be sitting right next to me. Look at the kitties. Oh, the little cats. Oh, they're cute. Look at that. Well, thank you. We'll have to show you a scene with Michelle playing with them. She's right here next to me, but where I am, I'm gonna not expose my location. But Michelle, I'm gonna let you pick one, and then we'll show you later on. Right now, my family's visiting me, and we'll show you later on where her playing with them at home. She's just looking at them right now, so we'll get back to you guys on that. Well, thank you very much. She's just overwhelmed. I wish I could show you. She's overwhelmed. We'll get some recording at home. Thank you. Package came in the mail. It says gift inside. Seems like everything came at once here the past 2 days. This one rattles. I have no idea what we got. Oh, that's always useful. Hi Troy, for help with projects around the homestead. Greets. No idea who it's from, but that's always... Oh, there's another thing. What's this one say? Nope, no name. This stuff is always incredibly useful on the homestead. Great stuff. Look at all those screws. I go through screws like you wouldn't believe on that, on our property. And then there's a useful box I can use in my electronics shop afterwards. Well, that's good. Well, oh, that's stainless steel tapping screws. Some of them are stainless steel, if not all. That's some high quality stuff. Well, thank you very much, whoever sent it. Absolutely useful and greatly appreciated around the homestead. Very, very valuable tools. Alright, well, everybody, this is going to conclude this video for now. Oh, Michelle's playing with her little kitties. She's surrounded with them. When we're home, I'm going to show you. I can't show you where I am right now. When we're home, I'll definitely show you. But I wanted to finish this video, and you know, we had some packages that arrived, and I just don't want to leave them hanging. For the people that did send them, I'd like to get you to see what you know, that we got them, and that we appreciate them. Well, I wish I could show you Michelle right now. Oh. She's surrounded in a circle by him. Well, when we get home, we'll get him out again. Alright guys, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Talk to y'all later. Back on the homestead, projects to do and take care of and things to do. Get this video up to you guys, and thank you very much everybody who sent the packages.